So this externship was with Nucor Steel Brandenburg. We had 4 teachers that came out for 5 days of their summer, and they were able to get deep into the operations, meet a lot of the teammates at Nucor, and start to understand some of the jobs that some of our students someday will have. I hope that participants gained a knowledge of manufacturing and that it encompasses so many different pathways that we offer at our school.
My favorite part about being at the Nucor externship had to be the culture and the ownership people take for their decisions and for problem-solving skills. The overall process of it was overwhelmingly positive, and it was really great to see what good they're doing for not only our community but also for the environment.
The lessons I'm going to take from my time at Nucor is how the culture is so positive there, and I want to bring that into my classroom. What surprised me most about the mining manufacturing was the automation of it all, how the team members are able to be a safe distance away from anything that might hurt them, whereas in the past they would have to do manual labor for it. They don't have to do that as much anymore.
One of my favorite parts about the externship at Nucor was being able to go into the caster area and see the molten steel when it comes, and then it's able to produce into something totally different. So as a teacher, it's like I'm creating something different also. So I resonated with that.
My favorite part of the externship was everything: the melt shop, the caster, the rolling mill, the shipping yard. It's just a phenomenal place. The teamwork is phenomenal out there, and I plan on incorporating that in several of my projects where my students do projects where they work in teams. Everyone should have an opportunity to go out there and visit this facility because it's one of a kind in the world.
This externship is basically helping teachers learn more about advanced manufacturing and how to incorporate what they're learning at the different sites into their classroom to plant the seeds of advanced manufacturing.